Now let's discuss about templates. To access the template, go to menu and click on the broadcast and click on the templates. Templates is a type of message which need an approval from the Meta if you want to send this message to your customer. The template message is very mandatory when you are starting a message with a new customer or you are starting a message after 24 hours and if you are going to send the broadcast message. In this section, we will discuss what are the options we have and what are the type of message, template messages we have and how we can create it like that. Here in the template section, you can see two tabs. One is your templates, another is library. In your template section, you can see the old templates which you already created and got approved. And in the library section, you can see the templates which already created Flowbee for you for customization. If you want to customize the template, you can just click on the use template and you can use it for you. But when we are using, it must be get approved first from the Meta. And when we are looking on the templates, we can see here the name of the template and we will have an ID and we will have a type of the template and here we can see the content of the template and here we will see the status of the template and here you can see the button to make the duplicate of this particular template and also you will have some more options like flows, view, delete. When you are clicking on the view, you can change the flow which is already connected with the template. You don't worry, we will discuss about the flow in coming sessions, don't worry. And here you can see the view option. When you are clicking on the view option, you can see the templates here and you can see this is the template. This is how we see the templates from the customer side, okay, like this. We see there is two button also, okay, there is image, content and two buttons also. The message will be delivered like this if you are creating the template. And you have an option to delete the template. Okay. And here at the top, you can see the search option. If you want to search through the templates, you can enter the keyword here and you can make the view type by choosing here like a list or thumbnail. Now we can check how we can create the template. Just click on the new template button. Here you can see the option to enter the template name. I'm just entering the name and here you can see the category of the template. Here we have the three main type of the templates. One is marketing, authentication, utility. Marketing template means if you are sending the message regarding any promotion or anniversary and any offers and your content is including like offer, sale, Monday sale, percentage like that, those messages will be considered as marketing. And another type is authentication. If you are sending the message like OTP, those messages will be considered as authentication. And another type is utility. Utility means if you are sending a message to customer like your delivery is on the way, your bill is on the way, your bill is ready, this type of message will be considered as utility. The marketing message is little high. These all templates are chargeable when you are sending the customer. So marketing message is little high, but authentication and utility is less than marketing message. And here we are going to create a marketing message. I'm just clicking on the marketing and here in the language section you can choose the language of your templates. I'm just choosing the English And here you will have an option broadcast title. You can make the template without heading and with heading, including the image, including the video and document. So let's check how we can create the template. So I'm just choosing the text. So now I have an option to add the heading of the template. What are the changes we are making on the template will be appears here. Here you can see how this template is shown to your customer. So I'm just adding the heading for the template. I'm just adding the heading added. Now here we can see an option body. When the message which you want to deliver to a customer, that will be entered here. So I have a message here. I am just adding that here. I'm just adding the message here. You can type your message here. And if you want to make some bold any text, you can just click on the B button, and those section will be bold when it delivered to the customer. Okay, this is optional, not mandatory. Sorry. Okay, fine. And you can make it as italic like that. And here you can see an option add variable. For example, when I am sending the message to the customer, I need to call the customer name like hi, and I need to mention here the name of the customer automatically who is getting this message personally. So I'm just clicking on the add variable, and I'm just searching for the name of the customer name. So it will be automatically shown the name of the customer who is receiving this message. So those called variables, we already discussed about the variable in the team import section. So here you can see another option, sample content. If you are using any variable here, we should mention that what type of the content is going to be added in the variable. So in the customer name, we are adding just a customer name. So I am just adding the sample ABC customer. And here you can see an option to add the footer. So here I can add the website. You can add your own website for your business. And below you can see the buttons. This is the important part of the template. You can send the message you can send the message to the customer without adding the buttons and with adding the button. These are optional. So we have two options to add in the button. Quick reply. Quick reply means if you are adding two buttons on the template and you want, let me show you how you can create it so that then you will understand better. So on the quick reply, I'm just adding a button, no more, and I'm adding another button, unsubscribe. Okay, now we are sending this message to the customer. So when customer click on the no more, need to start a chatbot. So we will have different chatbot. One is default chatbot, another is especially for knowing the announcing the offers. So if you want to start that chatbot, when customer click on the no more button, you have to choose the chatbot from here. I'm just choosing the Flowbee. And when you are sending the offer message to your customer, the customer should have an option to unsubscribe from your messages anytime. So that is very important, and it is a policy of the Meta. You should provide an option to customer to stopping the broadcast messages from your side. So you need to add an unsubscribe button, and you can add another bot. Okay, opt out. Actually, this bot is created to unsubscribe the customer from getting the message. We will discuss in the chatbot section how we can create a opt-out chatbot. Okay, don't worry. And this is almost completed. This is how we can create a template. So here we choose the text, but you can add the video, document, image and all. So here we can change the heading with the image. I'm just click on the image. Now disappear the heading. And if you want to add the existing poster, you can choose the content from here. Otherwise, you can add the content by uploading the file. So I am just uploading a file and I am choosing the poster image from here. Now this is completed. So finally we can check another option, call to action. Sorry, it was forgot. Just click on the call to action. When you are clicking on the call to action, you will have two options. One is call to phone, another is website. So I'm just clicking on the call to phone, and here I can add the button call now, and I can enter the number which I need to get the call, and after I can add another button and I can choose the visit website, and I am entering the button name visit now, and I will enter the website which I want to get the visit from the customer. Okay, now I said that there is two options. One is quick reply and this call to action. Quick reply is used to connect with the chatbots. Call to action is used to connect with the phone number or website. So now I am submitting for approval. So it's saving and it is sending to the Meta. Okay, now we successfully create the template, and here you can see the status of the templates is in pending. Once the template is approved, the status will be appear as approved. And if you want to copy or duplicate this template, you can just click on the copy and you can make the customization like that. So this is how you can create a template. Thank you for watching this video.